We just learned the rules regarding second declension nouns. Now let's talk about some exceptions to these rules. The following words end in us, but they are feminine in gender rather than masculine as we would expect. This means that every adjective describing these nouns will need to have a feminine agreement. We'll see in detail what that means as soon as we start talking about adjectives. For now, let's look at these special nouns. Humus, umi. The word for earth is feminine, like Mother Earth. Pyrus, piri, pear tree, while pirum, piri is the fruit. Trees tend to be feminine as they produce fruits. Malus, mali, apple tree, while malum, mali is the fruit. Populus, populi, poplar tree. A few words ending in us are actually neuter despite the ending. Virus, viri. Vulgus, vulgi. Pelagus, pelagi. Then these words are pluralia tantum. This expression means that they are used only in the plural in Latin. Liberi, liberorum. Superi, superorum. Inferi, inferorum. Posteri, posterorum. The word deus, meaning God, also shows an irregular nominative plural, dii, or di, together with the regular dei. Also, it has a vocative like the nominative, deus, an alternative genitive plural, deum, together with deorum, and an alternative dative ablative plural, dis, instead of deis. You may want to remember these forms because you might find them in translation. You may also already know the famous quote by Caesar on the Ides of March. Tu quoque, brute, filii me. In fact, the word filius, filii has an irregular vocative phrase. With these important exceptions now understood, let's check comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.